In this section, we're going to use both the addition and multiplication properties. Then what we're going to do first is use the addition property to isolate our variable, and then use the multiplication property, or maybe called the division property in this case, to remove the coefficient in front of the variable. So our goal, again, remember at the end of the day, we want to have x equals a value down here. So we have to get rid of all the coefficients and constants that make this happen. So what we're going to do is start off by subtracting 1 from both sides, moving the constant first. So we're left with, when we perform the addition here, we're going to be left with a final value of, get my pen working again, 3x equals 6. So we're there. Now this looks like things that we've done just a moment ago. So 3x divided by 6, what we're going to do is divide both sides by 3 then at that point. So we'll come over here and divide by 3, and then we end up with the final value of x equals 2. Now, I haven't been doing this, but we can always check our answer. So if you plug the 2 back in, it should be a solution. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 equals 7 is an identity. So we do know that x equals 2 is the correct answer. Same thing here, but instead of solving for x, we're solving for y. So again, we want to take and go here, and we're going to add 28. Because I have a minus 28, I'm going to invert it, giving me a plus 28. It's fine and legal and dandy to add 28 to the left as long as I'm willing to add 28 to the right. In doing so, I will then add them up. Well, the negative 2y doesn't have anybody to combine with. Minus 28 plus 28 makes a 0, which is exactly what I wanted, because I wanted the constant to go away. I'm now left with 4 plus 28 on the right-hand side, otherwise known as 32. Now I'm left with negative 2y equals 32, so I will take the negative 2y equals 32, and I'm going to then divide both sides by negative 2, dividing by negative 2, and we're going to get on the left a y equals a negative 16. Again, we could check it if we want. Negative 16 times a negative 2 is positive 32. Positive 32 plus 28 equals 4, so we do have the right answer.